Hello, welcome class. In last video we have introduced our syllabus and examination pattern. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss about the basic concept about function of a several variable and integration type. Okay, so let us see. Without taking too much time, let us start the basic concept for the multiple integral related. Okay, so let y is equal to f of x be a function be a function of one variable. What is function of one variable? That is x. Already in previous classes we have seen the definition of function. What is function? Function f is a order or relation from set A to set B such that for all values of A there exists a value y in B. Okay, so this is the definition of function. Okay, so function is the order relation. Okay, that is if we put value x in the function f, then its associated value in B, that is y. For example, f from set 2 to 3 to the set, suppose real number set R, defined by f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Okay, then find the range set. Okay, so this is my question. What is range set? बघूया. Range set म्हणजे काय? Range set is okay, let x belongs to A, then for all x belongs to A, f of the set f of x such that x belongs to A is called range set. Okay, so let us find out this. Okay, so here what is the initial value in closed interval? That is 2, and here is 3. So f of 2, put x is equal to 2 in f of 2, that is 2 square plus 4, so it is 8, and f of 3 is equal to 3 square plus 4, that is 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, so therefore range set is f of this 2 3 is equal to how much? So it becomes f of 2 f of 3, so it becomes 8 to 13, this close interval, because here is the close interval, that's why closing. In between this value there are infinite value, but we are taking the only endpoints. We can take also initial middle points of this. Here also the images of respective the images of these points are here. Okay, that is means in diagrammatical mode under this function along x-axis and y-axis. Suppose, okay, so suppose here interval 2 to 3 is here, then the related image with respect to 2 is 8. Suppose here is 8 and here is 13 So here is 30. If we join these points, we get this type of curve. Okay, so range set is 8 to 13. So range set is associated with the y-axis, and this is domain. Okay, this whole real axis is the codomain, but here range set is 8 to 13. So this is for one variable function. Look at here. If we put any value, if we put any value in interval 2 to 3, we get its associated value in set B, that is in R. Okay, that is okay. uh, Therefore x is independent variable and y is depend on x. Therefore y is dependent variable. Okay, so this is the relation for dependent independent variable, where a is domain, B is codomain, what is range set, what is function. Okay, that we have covered. Okay, so I think this is sufficient for one variable function, that is y is equal to f of x. So look at here. Here domain in one variable, domain is in interval form. Okay, if we draw a graph, then graph is associated with its y-axis. Okay, so let us move to the another next concept, function of a several variable. Okay, so let us go for that. Several variable means, let what is Cartesian product of set. Okay, let a and b are two non-empty sets. Then Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B. What is this? And given by, it's very simple, and given by A cross B is equal to elements in order pair, that is A and B, such that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. So this kind of elements are in Cartesian product. Means this is in set order pair. Okay, for example, if we take A is equal to 1 and 2, B is equal to suppose A, B, C, then A cross B means Cartesian product becomes element first 1A, 1B, 1C, 1 goes to these three, then next 2A, 2B, 2C. So here cardinality means number of elements in A cross B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is the Cartesian product of two set. Now if we take A is equal to R and B is equal to R, okay, then A cross B becomes R cross R. Okay, then it becomes the elements of the type order pair x comma y such that x belongs to R, y belongs to R. Any element is of the type a comma b. ठीक है, for example 1 1 1 2 like this. ठीक है, there are infinite elements. So let us move to the another part. Okay, so R cross R generally denoted by R2 vector space. Similarly, R cross R is generally denoted by R3 three-dimensional vector space. Okay, so let f from R2 to R be a function given by f of x comma y is equal to x plus y. Okay, then find f of 1 1, f of 2 1, okay, and so f of ab. Okay, ab is in general any element. If we put f of 1 1 means 1 1 in f, we get 1 plus 1. Image is 2. Are f of 2 1 is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, so here f is the function of two variable. Okay, so we can denote u is equal to f of x comma y is the function of two variables x and y. Okay, so this is example and this is the definition. So okay, similarly if we take f u is equal to f of x comma y comma z from R3 to R, this is the function of three variable. Okay, so for example f of x y z is equal to sin xy plus y square plus z square. So this is the example of three variable, this is the example of two variable. Okay, now we move to the integration. Integration of function is here integration fx dx, exactly what? Okay, in one variable. So answer, let y is equal to f of x be a function over the domain D. Okay, then its graph is then look at here, from A image here is f of A, B image f of B. Okay, in between these value we have different images along y-axis. Okay, so what is integration? Integration means the area under the curve over the domain D. So this is the integration A. Therefore integration is summation fx means height dx, that is width, over the interval a to b is area under the curve, okay, over the domain D. Here domain is close interval a to b. So this is about, therefore this is about single variable integration. Okay, in short.